Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan a QR code on DELL Latitude 5420. And there are two ways of scanning a QR code depending on whether you have this QR code in person or if that QR code is something that shows up on the screen. And first I'm gonna talk about the first one with something that you have in person. Just go to the camera app, then let it access microphone doesn't really matter, the camera is important, and the location isn't important as well. Now uncover the camera if it's covered and select the barcode scanning. Now position the QR code in front of the camera, click on the link, and you're in. Now if you want to scan something that's on your screen, I'm gonna just simply generate a code, so don't mind that. I'm just gonna click on like random website to get a code, then click on either the print screen key on your keyboard, which if doesn't work, then click on F and print screen, or if you want you can also click on Windows, Shift and S on your keyboard, but I'm gonna click on the print screen. Then select the rectangle tool, for example, select the QR code like that, and now go to qrscanner.net. Click on Ctrl and V on your keyboard. Now it's paste. So you can click on the link to open it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.